Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my beautiful students, today we will take two lessons together in our book Better English Now. So, we will take lesson 2 and 3 in unit 6. First of all, we will take a quick revision together. If I ask you, my superstars, how can you ask about time? You can say we can ask about time using two questions. Number one, what time is it? Number two, what is the time? Number two, how many hands are there in the clock? How many hands? Girls, here we have S. There are two hands in the clock. What are they? Minute hand and hour hand. So, minute hand and hour hand. Let me complete. The past of write is wrote, writing, or writes. Of course, the right answer is wrote. Number two. The past of get up is gets up, getting up, or got up. The right answer is got up. Number three. The past of go is goes, went, or going. The right answer is went. Focus with me, please, girls. Then we have speaking, spoke, and speaks. The past of speak is speaking, spoke, or speaks. Of course, the right answer is spoke. Okay, as I told you, today we will take Unit 6, Lesson 2 and 3 in our book, Better English Now. We will take two pages, page 28 and 29, okay? I will start with the new words. First of all, what can you see in this picture? I can see two girls and a gift. The first girl gave the second girl a gift, and the second girl received a gift from the first girl. So, what do I mean by receive? تلقت أو استقبلت. Okay, receive. Give me the spelling of receive. R-E-C-E-I-V-E. What is the past of receive? The past of receive is received. Just adding D at the end. So this is receive in the present, and in the past it will be received. Okay? Let me complete. What about this? What can you see? I can see a letter. And in this letter, there is a word, there are some words. You are invited. What do I mean by invited? يعني in Arabic مدعو. Okay? Invite يدعو. Okay? Invite. Invite. I-N-V-I-T-E. My friend invited me yesterday to attend the party. دعتني صديقتي. Okay? Invite in the present. Invited adding D in the past. Okay? Invite. So the first word is receive, and in the past, received. The second word is invite, and in the past, invited. The third word is how many persons can you see? I can see three persons. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are cooking. So those are preparing what? Food. Those are prepare. What do I mean by prepare in Arabic? يعدون. Okay? Prepare. P-R-E-P-A-R-E. P-R-E-P-A-R-E. And in the past, it will be prepared. Just adding D at the end. Prepared in the past. Okay? Now, what about this person? Do you think that he is tired or not? Yes, he is tired. He needs to drink water. He feels tired. What do I mean by tired? T-I-R-E-D. متعب, okay? T-I-R-E-D. I feel tired. I feel tired. The word tired is an adjective. صفة. Tired is an adjective. I feel tired or he feels tired. Okay? Now, I need you to focus with me, my beautiful students. I will start reading this passage. Yesterday afternoon, I received a phone call from my friend Hisham. He invited me to have lunch with him at his home. My father gave me a ride to my friend's house. It took us 2 minutes to be there. Hisham's mother prepared very delicious food. She also made a good piece of cake. A good piece of cake, okay? A good piece of cake. After lunch, we decided to go out for a walk. On the way, we met our friend Omar and his father. Omar decided to join us. Again, girls. Yesterday afternoon, I received a phone call from my friend Hisham. He invited me to have lunch with him. Uh, w- uh, to have lunch with him at his home. With him at his home. Okay. My father gave me a ride to my friend's house. It took us 2 minutes to be there. Hisham's mother prepared very delicious food. She also made a good piece of cake. After lunch, we decided to go out for a walk. On the way, we met our friend Omar and his father. Omar decided to join us. The three of us walked together along the beach. When we felt tired, we went to a small coffee shop and sat there to relax. We ordered some ice cream. Half an hour later, we left the cafe and continued our walk and talk. Suddenly, we heard a loud voice. We looked around and saw a man falling off his motorcycle. We ran to help him off the ground. He had some scratches on his hand and face. Omar called an ambulance, and 10 minutes later, the ambulance came and took him to the nearest hospital. He thanked us for helping him. Again, the three of us walked together along the beach. When we felt tired, we went to a small coffee shop and sat there to relax. We ordered some ice cream. Half an hour later, we left the cafe and continued our walk and talk. Suddenly, we heard a loud noise. We looked around and saw a man falling off his motorcycle. We ran to help him off the ground. He had some scratches on his hand and face. Omar called an ambulance, and 10 minutes later, the ambulance came and took him to the nearest hospital. He thanked us for helping him. Now, true and false. Number one, four friends went for a walk. False. 2. Hisham and his friends had lunch in the restaurant. False. Omar had lunch with his friends. False. The friends went swimming. False. 5. The three friends ordered 3 cups of coffee. True. 6. The man was taken to the hospital because his hand was broken. True. Now answer the following questions. Number 1. Did Hisham and his friend enjoy the lunch? Yes, they did. Number 2. Why did Hisham call his friend to invite them? Number 3. How was the food? It was delicious. So, girls, we will answer just three questions here. You have to write just these three answers. Did Hisham and his friends enjoy the food? Yes, they did. Why did Hisham call his friend to invite them? And how was the food? It was delicious. This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, my beautiful students. Goodbye.